Hello everyone. How are you all? Do you know? I have a special friend with us today who is super excited to meet you all. But oh no, where did he go? Maybe under a chair or in a book or in my pocket. Oh no, maybe we need to call him on the count of three. So let's call him together. One, two, three. Come out, Monty. Aww, aww. Who woke me up? Was it time for my hair appointment or my nose shining session or a snack time? Wait a minute. Are these my new friends? Hi everyone. My name is Monty. And guess what? I love three things: eating snacks, wearing cool hair accessories, and growing things. Hey friends, do you know? Spring is my favorite season. It is the good time to grow seeds. Do you know what happens if you plant tiny seeds in the ground? Well, Monty, today we have a special flannel story about a little boy who planted a carrot seed, but nobody believed it would grow. Wait. Before going to start the story, let me sing a special carrot growing song. Grow, grow, grow a seed, plant it all around. Grow, grow a seed, plant it all around. Water, sun, and lots of love, watch it grow so round. Water, sun, and lots of love, watch it grow so round. Let's sing all together. Grow, grow a seed, plant it all around. Grow, grow a seed, plant it all around. Water, sun, and lots of love, watch it grow so round. Watch it grow so round. The title of today's story is The Carrot Seed, written by Ruth Cross and illustrated by Crockett Johnson. A little boy dug a hole in the ground and put the carrot seeds in the soil. So here the soil is the brown stuff and he pressed down the seeds in that. His mother said, "I'm afraid it won't come up." Friends, what does this mean, I'm afraid? Is she afraid or scared? No. In this instance, the word afraid means, according to her, probably plant will not grow. And she is concerned that her little boy might be disappointed. And his father said, "I'm afraid it won't come up." And his brother said, "It won't come up." How do you think? How he felt? Sad? Now, every day, the boy pulled up the weeds around the seeds. Weeds are the bad plants. He pulled out the bad plants and sprinkled the ground. Sprinkle the ground with water. There is nothing came up and nothing came up. Everyone kept saying, "It won't come up. Don't worry about it." They all said, "Stop worrying about the seeds. Just give up and it would not come up." He didn't listen to his brother and his dad and his mom. And then one day, do you know what happened? Wow! Can you see the soil? It's breaking up. See? It's breaking up. What's happening? Carrot came up. So here is the green part of the carrot top. Children, always remember that carrot grows in the soil. And here is the carrot. So just as the little boy had known it would, so he knew it would come up. But everyone said, "No, it won't come up." But he knew that his carrot would grow. So he waited, he watered and pulled out bad weeds. And then finally it came up. The end. Monty, what's your plan to grow in the spring? Deepti, yesterday I ate an apple and an orange and I put its seed in the soil in my garden with water, sunshine, love, and wait. I grow plants at my home. That's a wonderful idea. Let's go to sow seeds. It's really a good time to plant. So try it, everybody. Take care. Bye bye.